Good morning everyone, and today we're in Turkmenistan! Okay, so we're headed to the market. You can't log into Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram. Everything's kind of blocked unless you have like a VPN changer type thing, but the internet is really slow, which is kind of unfortunate. So I will be totally off the grid until we get back. Okay, so we just finished off at the little Russian marketplace. Hello! It's a bit of a success. I bought this scarf for 23 dirhams /$7. So we're at the horsey farm. Turkmenistan's pride and joy, horses. So today on MTV Cribs we have this place. Okay, so we're going to the underground lakes now. Are you excited?
Yeah, I am.
Woo! Okay, so now we're in the underwater lake in the cave. Oh, it's so warm. It's really nice though. How was it?
Survived.
Picnic time! Okay, so we're now back on the bus. We're en route to go to the mosque. So, Turkmenistan has two main languages, which is Russian and Turkmenistani. They will host the Olympic Asian Games in 2017. The way they won the bid was, Ashgabat has like about 6,000 people, but in order to be able to host an Olympic Games, you need to have like a population of 1 million. President and government did was, they took the neighboring two cities, united all of them, and then said that they were now part of Ashgabat. So now they have a population of 1 million, and then they won the bid to do the 2017 Asian Olympic Games. I will now insert a Turkmenistan flag right here, and so basically if you look at it, the green symbolizes like Islam, because like it's the main religion here, and then so does the crescent moon. The 5 stars represent the 5 states, and if you look along this side there's like 5 different kinds of carpets, and this represents the different kinds of tribes. So there's like 5 main tribes. Okay, so basically that is a mausoleum where they have the president's body buried there because there was an earthquake and everybody died, and that was the epicenter where the earthquake happened and where they all died, and then they decided to turn it into a mausoleum, and that's where they have everybody buried. So while we're inside, the tour guide was telling us that not a lot of people actually use this mosque. It's more used for like special occasions and stuff, especially for tomorrow, because tomorrow is going to be Eid. So she said that there'll be a lot of people there. Hey everyone, so we're on our way to go to dinner. We're just looking for a cab.
There's no taxi in the whole town.
No taxi anywhere.
So
let's see how this goes. See, everyone's just in the middle of the road.
Hey!
Hello!
Let's bomb your photo.
yeah,
It's a video.
Oh, it's a video.
let's video bomb.
Now I feel stupid because
Smile, everyone! Good morning, everyone. So we're on the bus now. Hi. We're on the bus now and we're going to a fortress. I change buses as often as I change my underwear. We're just walking around this awesome place, and it's a UNESCO site, and we have some theories because they mentioned that they don't know actually what it was used for, whether it was a sanctuary or something like that. So we think it was a party house, and yeah.
Through our investigation.
Exactly, because you really can't make out what this used to be. And we know that they had a treasury of how much wine barrels were sold and given. So obviously, it's a party house.
Party house. The biggest party house in the region.
Okay, so apparently in the center over here, you can make a wish. So let's go make a wish.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, wish.
So we just finished off at the fortress ruins, and now we're gonna go back onto the bus, and then we're gonna go into town. Caused an earthquake to happen, and then from this earthquake there was the golden child that came forth, and that's the former president, and he rebuilt the country and helped the economy and everything else. So yeah, so from the earthquake birthed a golden child. Hopefully one day there will be a legend written about me. And we're just picking up some snacks and some drinks, and then we're gonna go on a 4